everyone, welcome back. This video series is all about how to use a special writing strategy that will help you answer questions about something you have read. Let's quickly review what we practiced last time. Remember, when you answer a question, you need to start by using words from the question, or we call that restating the question. This makes your answer easier to understand for whoever is reading it. Makes it more clear. Let's try one again, and remember, whisper your answer. Here we go. What is an animal that swims? Okay, you should have restated the question in your answer. What is an animal that swims? An animal that swims is a fish, a whale, or whatever else you thought of that swims. Now I have some posters to show you. They are going to remind us of what we have been practicing. The first one has R for restate the question, and this one has A for answer the question. That's what we've been practicing, right? We use words from the question or restate the question and then we answer it. Notice on the R poster, the question mark goes to a period since we use words from the question and then turn it into a sentence with a period. And the light bulb picture helps us remember that we think of the answer to the question like a light bulb going on in our heads. So we have the R and the A, and we will add more letters in the future. Let's take a look at this story called Sam's Pet. I'm going to read it, and you can follow along. Sam went to the pet store. His mom and dad said that he could get a new pet. He looked at the cats and dogs. He looked at the fish and hamsters. Then he heard, "Hello, hello." It was a bird that could talk. Sam knew that this was the pet for him. He couldn't wait for his friends to meet his new talking pet. So that's the story. And now let's read the question and answer. Why did Sam choose the bird for a pet? Sam chose the bird for a pet because he liked that it could talk. Does it use words from the question? Yes, it does. Which words? Whisper which words are from the question. Why did Sam choose a bird for a pet? Yes, these words. Sam chose the bird for a pet because. So we underline those words in green because the poster for restate the question is green. And did you notice that our posters are at the bottom of the page? They are just like our R and A posters, but in black and white. They are like little boxes to check off to make sure we remember to include those when we write our answer. So we have the R, so we check it off. We restated the question. Is there a correct answer? Let's see. It says, Sam chose the bird for a pet because he liked that it could talk. Yes, he liked that it could talk. That is why he wanted the bird. So we underline it in pink like the poster, and we check off that we have the answer. And now it's time for What's Wrong? During some of the video lessons, we will take a look at an answer that has something wrong with it. Let's take a look at this and see what you can notice. It says, what's wrong? It's the same story and question, but see if you can figure out what is wrong with this. Why did Sam choose the bird for a pet? Sam chose the bird for a pet after looking at all the different animals. Whisper what you think is wrong with that. And now whisper yes or no. Did it restate the question? Yes, it did. Sam chose the bird for a pet. Whisper yes or no. Did it answer the question correctly? Did it tell why he chose the bird? No, it does not. It says when he chose it, after looking at all the animals, but not why. So let's X that part out. It is important that when we give an answer, we answer it correctly, based on what the story says. Okay, that's all I have for us today. Next time we will take a look at another story just like we did today and find the R and A parts. See you next time.